If you didn't have time to watch the Samsung Unpacked event earlier this week, here is a recap of everything announced that I am excited about. Also, if you are interested in pre-ordering anything listed, I have got direct links down below, which are affiliate links, so they also help my channel without costing you anything extra, plus each link includes special pre-order deals. Now, Samsung has a slew of new devices, and while I don't have these in hand yet to review and give you first impressions, I am super excited to break down what we have to look forward to. So let me know which ones you want to see on the channel, as I will prioritize the ones you ask me to feature. Now, first up, we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. This one has got very few upgrades over the Fold 5, but it is lighter and a little bit brighter. It is slightly wider with a 6.3-inch external screen and a 7.6-inch internal screen. I stand by my previous foldable reviews when I say the external display was way too skinny, which makes it hard to use more than just for a few simple tasks. Samsung listened. Apparently people agreed, so not only does the new one come with a bigger display, but this foldable is packing some upgrades like a new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, 2600 nits of brightness, wow, and that matches the S24 Ultra, but heads up, the starting price is actually going up to $1899, and the camera specs seem about the same as the previous Fold. You know, I always love going for the really cute colors too, and we get a pink version this time as opposed to just the generic prosumer tech colors, so I ordered the pink one. Next, we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Now, this clamshell flip is getting some really sweet looking upgrades. We are talking about the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. There's a 50 megapixel sensor on here, a larger 4000 milliamp hour battery, plus the design is going uniform, meaning that your chosen color is going to be everywhere on the sides, the hinge, and the back cover, depending on the color that you choose. Unfortunately, just like with the Fold 6, there is a price bump here too, with the Z Flip 6 starting at $1099. Now, if you recall, the Flip 5 here included a much bigger and more practical external display, so I am happy to see that trend continue. I am a little bit bummed that they took away the pretty lavender color, which is the one that I had for my Flip 5, but we do get a pop of color with a new peach option, so that one looks adorable. There's also a nice yellow version too. Okay, moving on to something for the wrist, we have got the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and the Series 7. The Watch Ultra is a 47mm size, titanium casing, and a whopping 590 mAh battery. It is the first ever Ultra watch with a Galaxy Energy Score and Galaxy AI. Plus, it will also have 100 meters water resistance, and it will come in 3 colors, which are gray, white, or silver. Many different bands are going to be available, and this one will put you back $650. The Series 7 watches have 2 sizes, 40mm and 44, each of those with impressive battery life and health tracking features. These will also include Galaxy AI and the Galaxy Energy Score. It has gotten increased storage up to 32 gigs, 3 band styles from Samsung, all sorts of different colors. That one would cost $300 MSRP. Now, if you're finding this video helpful, a subscribe would mean a whole lot to me. Subscribing is a very simple way of showing me which videos you find helpful, which ones you find valuable, and it also tells me which direction I should take my channel in. Also, a huge Patreon shout out to all of my patrons. You can join them and support my channel by going over to patreon.com/ShannonMorse for all sorts of perks like early access videos, and I have a private Discord. It's really fun. I chat in there all the time. But as usual, all the videos on my channel are free to watch, and I thank my Patreon and YouTube members for making that possible. Okay, this one is very exciting. Samsung's first ever smart ring. The Galaxy Ring is going to come in silver, black, or gold. I wish there was a rose gold version. That would be so cute. And sizes range from 5 to 13, 9 sizes in total in a titanium form factor. This is a very little ring. It's going to pack in a bunch of features, mainly for health tracking. The Galaxy Ring has Galaxy AI and 3 different sensors to be able to track sleep, heart rate, your energy levels, exercise, and a lot more. Plus, it also has sleep coaching and 100 meters water resistance. Now, I found it interesting that the Energy Score will give you recommendations for daily improvements for overall health. So the Energy Score, rated from 0 to 100, will be influenced by a daily measurement of sleep activity, heart rate, and more. The Sleep AI algorithm and sleep analysis will give you sleep scores based on heart rate, respiratory, movement, time in bed, and sleep latency. Everything can be monitored through the Samsung Health app app on any Android phone. In terms of battery life, this one is a 24/7 wearable without a screen, so it will have multiple days of battery life depending on the size. Samsung told me that it will last up to 7 days for the 12 and 13 sizes and 6 days for 5 to 11 sizes. The charging case is included and it can charge your Ring on the go. The full charge time is 80 minutes. Now, how do you find your size? Well, these are not traditional Ring sizes because of those sensors, so Samsung will send you a sizing kit as a part of the ordering process. The Galaxy Ring is $399 MSRP. But lastly, definitely not least, let's talk about audio. The Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pros. Now, these earbuds are getting a fresh new design. They have stems now, much like the AirPods, but with Samsung's unique touch. So you can expect improved microphone positioning for better calls, voice prompts. It should have a snug fit. I feel like Galaxy AI was a really big talking point for the entire event, and the new products all featured at their event will include AI built in. And the phones will get 7 years of operating system and security updates. Now, everything is going to ship on July 24th, although currently with pre-orders, you might see later dates, but that is the release date. Now, if you use my link below, you can snag $50 to $100 off each and every single item, plus Samsung is offering really good trade-in deals. Now, I do have some couponer pro tips. If you want to snag a watch and you have an old watch to trade in, you might get a better deal by ordering the watch in a separate order. If you add it on to checkout while buying a phone, you can get 25% off an accessory, but the site does not give you the trade-in options on top of that 25% off. So if you add the watch as a separate item, you get the trade-in option. So you might be able to get the watch for way cheaper than 25% off. Like, I got a Watch 7 for $50 total after pre-order discounts and trading in a Watch 6. I am a big couponer, so I always look for ways to stack deals on top of each other because there's always a way. There is always a way. I would love to know which products you want to see reviews on. Let me know down in the comments and let me know how this video sounds. This is a different microphone that I'm testing out for mobile implementations, so the video setup is different as well. Again, hit the links down below for all the deals and discounts on everything that you have seen in this video. And thank you so much for using my affiliate links. It truly does help this channel. Thank you so much for helping me hit 123K, and I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.